Okay, this is Jared Friends with Merritt Industrial Blasting, and today I wanted to walk down through you guys some of these laser cleaning machines. So there's a lot of information in a few videos out there on the capabilities of what these laser cleaning machines are able to do. Today I have the New Wave laser folks with me. They're based out of Texas, and they've brought us two machines that we're going to be taking a look at. The difference between these two machines, even though they look like exactly the same machine, one's going to be a continuous laser, the other one going to be a pulse beam laser. The difference between those two, and I'm sure there's many differences, and I'm in no way, shape, or form a market expert, but continuous laser is going to be a continuous laser, whereas the pulse is going to be beams of the laser. So the strategic difference between those two machines is going to be the amount of heat that you get into the substrate. So we're going to take this I-beam here, and we're going to be doing side-by-side cleaning. First one, we're going to hit it with a continuous, then we're going to do a real-time pass, and we're going to show you, one, how well it cleans, and then we're going to take and we're going to hook up the pulse laser. We're going to do the same exact thing, and we're going to shoot it. We're going to see the difference between the cleaning finishes of these on a single pass, and we're going to also show you the temperature, which is the biggest difference and why certain machines require certain technology. Okay, so we're here in the shop and we have this I-beam laid down. Ryan with New Wave has his continuous machine hooked up. You can see we've drawn a line here on this I-beam. He's going to clean this half with this continuous laser. I'm going to set a stopwatch. Let's see how long it takes him to get to pretty much a bare metal finish.
Whenever you're ready.
I didn't get my stopwatch right.
Oh, you're good.
That's okay. That's pretty wild. So this I-beam looks like it literally just came out of the yard. I mean, it looks brand new. Quite impressive. I know I told you guys that I was going to show you the difference in the heat transfer between the continuous and the pulse. And full disclosure, Ryan's 79 degrees. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you right now the difference in the heat. However, you can, after you get done with the continuous, not advisable to put your hand on the metal. We did this a while ago. It's no longer that hot. But with the pulse, almost immediately after he's finished, I should be able to touch the surface and it's going to be cool to the touch. Whereas with the continuous, it's going to be well over 100 plus degrees, if not longer, depending on the pattern or the amount of time that he's stayed on that material. Here we have the difference. You can see Ryan just made this pass with this pulse beam. You can see a slight, different coloration in the material. However, single pass, or maybe two passes here with this pulse, and really definitely not the same speed as the continuous. However, still making a night and day difference in the corrosion and the overall appearance on this I-beam. From an untreated surface to a pulse laser, 500 watt turned all the way up, to a continuous beam laser. It's pretty impressive stuff. Now, in a lot of situations, you don't have the privilege of cleaning on a completely flat surface, right? You've got a lot of angles, different bevels, and a lot of areas that make it pretty tricky to get in these different nooks and crannies when cleaning. So here, we've put a block under this I-beam. Ryan's gonna show us on this pulse machine how we can continuously move through, and it's gonna clean on both sides of those surfaces. Now, that's pretty cool. So, a couple of passes and keeping the same distance, and you can see that it's cleaned this surface just as well as it's cleaned this surface, as well as in this bend here. They're nearly identical, and this whole I-beam looks like it's almost brand new, which is impressive in its own regard. But for that light pulse to be able to bend around both of those surfaces and clean in that contour evenly is pretty remarkable. If you're looking at any type of this technology and you'd like more information, feel free to reach out to our website. We can put you in contact with New Wave Laser Cleaning. Let them know that you saw some of this content on our YouTube channel or you visited one of our social channels, and tell them that you are visiting from the Merritt videos, and they'd love to help you out.